All right, what are you working on there?
I'm trying to get all these upholstery nails out of this bar stool seat.
I don't have a really good view because your giant cup is in the way. Is this like a precise method you've determined, or is this
This is very precise.
is this how everybody does it?
I have no idea how anybody else does it. This is my own special blend.
So you just pop those out onto the carpet and hope you find it?
Yes, especially since they blend right in.
Do you need like a magnet or something to pick them up?
No, I pick them up as I drop them, because doggies.
So what's the plan once you get all those out?
I'm gonna pull this cover off, this pleather cover. Probably gonna have to pull the foam off. Goodbye to that screwdriver.
What does pleather stand for?
Plastic leather, fake leather. So I'm gonna pull it off and see if I can replace the board that got broke.
That's a pretty quality cover.
Right? It was until there's a little hole, some holes.
How many of those nails do you think were in that thing?
About 100,000.
Why do you think they put so many in there? Who are they trying to keep out of that thing?
I have no idea. Probably.
There's the damage.
Yeah.
That's from my wife.
And more staples.
Well, you want to make sure that piece of the board doesn't go flying away.
Can we even call it a board? It's not even a 1/4 inch thick.
I mean, they call cardboard board, and it's a board.
Yeah. Ow. Oof. My knuckles have been toast working on this thing. Oh, and they glued the...
You think maybe if you go between the boards and pop it out?
That's what I'm doing.
I mean, that board is worthless, so if you have to destroy it, I don't think it matters.
But it is glued. I don't know. Maybe we should go out and take our frustrations out on it.
All right, easy there, Tiger. What do you think that other hole is in there for? Ventilation?
Yeah. That's to let the farts escape.
You think the farts are making it through that pleather?
I really don't know. I was wondering that myself, and all I could think was, look, there was 2. So see, it's like nipples. It
Oh,
like
that's the...
big boobs.
Well, you can't say that on the internet.
Can't say boobs or nipples.
I mean, this isn't a biology channel, so no.
Oh.
This is a DIY channel.
It looks like eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Yeah, we know what eyeballs are. See, kids? Those are eyeballs.
But I was thinking, it's foam. You sit down on it.
Relieves the pressure from the foam?
Yeah, the air goes out.
Gotcha. So they had one intelligent design choice with this thing.
Right. One. No, because this is actually really well made. It's got, like, the ends have been sewn instead of just stapled on. But then the wood that they used for the frame is sus, and this. Like, they make puzzles for kids thicker than this crap. Like, what? It's so glued.
What kind of wood do you think that is for the frame?
Something that grows in another country.
You think?
Or nothing that I've seen around here. It's not pine. It's not oak. And they're not going to use anything very expensive on something like this anyhow.
What kind of joints do you think that's using?
Box joints.
What makes you think that?
Because they are box joints. When you butt the wood up together like this, that's a box joint.
How do you think they bent the wood?
I don't think they bent the wood. I think they just cut it that way.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you could do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they did. You could tell from the pattern in the grain the way it's cut.
The grain? What is that? You turn it on its side so we can see.
It's all the little lines in the wood.
So when they say going against the grain, what does that mean?
So if I was going to sand this and restain it, I would want to sand it this way with the grain. Because if you go against the grain...
You give it new texture.
You make it look like dog poop.
But what if I want a vertical texture on it?
Well, then, I mean, you do you.
You think we could repurpose this into a cutting board?
Absolutely not.
They can rock back and forth. It'll make cutting easier.
Wow.
Well, do what my wife did and stand on it.
Right? Let's try it. Let's try it.
All right, live test number 1. Perfect shape for a foot to fit in. I think the carpet's absorbing the impact.
Yeah.
That absorbent hole is there.
Well, she was doing it from this direction, so.
There you go. Bailey cam.
I can't even break it with 2 feet.
Did you try jumping on it?
You just want me to jump on camera so you can
Give it
laugh later.
Give it a 1-2 step. Let me see you 1-2 step.
I don't know how to 1-2 step. I can't even get mad at it.
What if?
Oh, there we go. Gotta use your heel. That's the technique.
I mean, if you weren't wearing shoes, if you had
Right.
actual shoes on, you might actually be able to do some damage to this thing.
I might have to cut this beautiful thing out with a jigsaw.
What's a jigsaw? Like the puzzle? Like this guy?
Yeah.
Like this thing right here?
It's a saw, so you can
Helioid. What does that say?
cut around little
helicoid.
corners and stuff.
Actual size. This is an overboard puzzle. So we could just take the pieces out of this box and just replace it with this thing.
Oh, yeah, for sure. They're probably thicker.
You think so?
I know so.
Let me take a look at this.
Look at the thickness of this thing.
Oh, we gotta get focus on this. Here we go. This, I don't know. It looks pretty sturdy. I mean, it took you stomping on it to get anything out of it. All right, puzzle piece comparison.
This is a puzzle piece win.
No, this stuff is still thicker, but not by much.
I don't know.
Maybe if you soak it in water.
No.
You think we fill up the bathtub and toss that in? You think that'll work?
I mean, if you want to buy a new stool.
Well, the legs are still fine, right?
The legs are fine, but we don't want to mess up this part.
That looks pretty messed up.
The frame. Well, this part is messed up.
But don't damage my nice plastic table now.
I know. Well, I don't want to mess. Oh,
Well, it doesn't fall anymore. I think she'll live.
Don't this video.
We just need to get her down here and collaborate on this.
Yes.
Because I feel like she'll have some really good ideas for how to get this out of there.
And her and I together are quite the team.
Yeah, you guys are like Siskel and Ebert.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually coming off. Look, it came off the front.
This crooked screwdriver is good for something.
Well, I mean, that's a Stanley. That's a quality screwdriver you got there. See, let's get the brand name on there. This is not sponsored by Stanley. But we just
good thing, because look at the end of the screwdriver. Sorry, Stanley, but
I can't get a good shot on it. Can you hold it still? You're moving it all around. There we go. Can you flip it around? Like rotate it? Hold it straight up again? There you go. Okay, it's not that bad.
Get out of here. Ooh. There we go. We're getting somewhere now.
Yeah, you just had to beat it up a little bit. Tenderize it.
Get violent. The stool prefers violence.
I don't know if it prefers it. It responds well to it.
I don't know. Does it really, though? I guess I'm trying to do
it has
violence.
BSS.
BSS.
Yeah. Battered stool syndrome. We could go blast from the past, and maybe we go a little bit of stool softener on that thing. you think that'll weaken it up?
Yes. Soften it up. I'll call Dad right now. I need you to bring me some stool softener. Stool is too hard.
I mean, what's stopping us from just going right over top of it with something else instead of trying to peel it off? You know what I mean? Like, if there's enough contact points on there, couldn't we just glue something else on there? With how many of these
studs there are to hold it on?
Look at this. There's like 60 of these per side.
Well, thickness is going to matter because there's not much leftover pleather to bend around the edge to staple.
Oh, I see. It's pretty tight.
Yes. But it's already torn, so we need to have a discussion about other options for fabric.
Like changing out to some new stuff and then putting all those circle things back in there.
Mm-hmm.
You think they hammered those in there?
I
feel like you're playing a dangerous game with that crooked screwdriver.
I am.
That thing's gonna go right into your wrist.
I hope.
No. No, because then we can't have any more educational content like this. It's riveting content.
Well, maybe we're trying
Mother's
to...
ripping thin fiberboard off of a stool seat.
I mean, maybe we're trying to show people how to tie a tourniquet. I don't know.
That'd be cool.
Right?
Think of the clicks. Think of the views. I feel like this would be way easier if you put this in like a clamp or something.
Probably, but I don't see any clamps around.
You're just kind of, you're freebasing it. Is that the right word? Freebase? No.
Free balling?
No, you can't say that. Bleep that out.
I don't know if I'm the person that you want to interview.
That's okay. We'll cut that in post.
You're gonna have to cut a lot out.
That's okay.
I've been pretty good so far. I haven't really said any bad words.
I mean, you brought up the anatomy thing.
Well,
They should have been eyeballs from the beginning. Reminder, kids. These are eyeballs. These are owl eyes. These are not whatever you think they are. Don't listen to my mother. She doesn't know. She's a scientist, but not a biologist.
A scientist. Yep. Just off my game because my fellow scientist isn't here with me.
Oh, we're getting a nice tight shot of this. This is good.
Right?
We're right down to the staples
Look,
now.
here comes a staple.
This is a crowning achievement. What are you going to name him?
I don't know. Stoolie. Oof. Ow.
I told you to be careful.
I'm not going to be finding that one because it shot somewhere.
Didn't it land on the table, though?
Did it?
I think so.
I'm not seeing.
Hydration break.
Yes. It's important.
What do you got in that cup? What is that?
Really, it's just melted ice water.
Crystal Light?
Crystal Light. LaCroix.
Is that how you say it? I always thought it was pronounced La Croix. Because it's French, right?
I ain't French. That's not true. I am part French. I should actually know, like...
How did it get all the way over there?
Right?
You weren't even using that much force. Didn't look like.
Well, I'm glad the nails didn't fly all over the place like that. We'd have to close the room off.
Yeah, we better get some magnets out and start a search party. Last thing I want is a staple in my foot.
Well, that one landed over here somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is. It bounced off the thing and landed on the floor. Some of those upholstery nails are screwed up too. But,
Did you find the tools okay?
Mm-hmm. They were right on. They were with it still from the other day.
Perfect. So what are you going to replace this with?
Either the same thing or...
Well, the board that you're ripping
Oh, the
off.
board?
Yeah.
Well, I will probably get...
Something that can support a human's weight, I would think.
Actually, something very similar.
But thicker?
But thicker
Because
and
this is not
harder.
Can you imagine sitting on, knowing your life you're leading is a lie? You're sitting on this material.
Right?
This is thinner than a pizza box.
Right.
I guess you do have this foam, but I mean, like, it takes no effort at all to compress it. Well, that made a good sound.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put that one in the video.
Ow.
Did you step on one?
No, the
How do you keep
screwdriver rolled off
How do you
and
keep dropping?
hit me on my toe.
You need a tool belt.
Yes.
Oh, handy Andy over here.
I don't know about that.
You tell us about a childhood story of yours. Like, did you do this in the past at all? Did you grow up doing this kind of stuff?
I grew up doing whatever my mother told me to do.
That's good.
And yes,
She made you fix a lot of chairs.
plenty of nonsense going on. No, she would have just... I probably would have been the one to step on this and break it and...
Then you get hit for it.
Hit and called many names. I mean, you know my nickname was BBB. Fatty 2x4.
Say that 10 times fast.
Really, she's the only person in my entire life to accuse me of having a big...
Sounds like dogs are having a skirmish outside.
Yes.
All right, we're attempting a somewhat dangerous maneuver using the pliers as a makeshift hammer.
Duh. Girl tools.
Staple be damned. Wherever it lands, look out, everybody else. You walk in here in socked feet at your own risk.
Right?
You look pretty pleased with that.
I am.
Very good.
Still got more to go, though. This is a little higher up.
This is the work of a true professional right here. Consummate
Absolutely. Kim's Reupholstery.
Is that the name you want to go by in the series, Kim? You don't want to have like a cool nickname or something? We could call you like marimba or something. I don't know.
Marimba.
Xylophone. Yeah, just gouging the table.
The upholstery doctor.
The UD.
Jill of all trades.
The Jenny of all trades.
Yeah, I could do all the things.
What kind of staples do you think they're using? I think those are galvanized steel.
No, I think they're just cheap.
Oh, those like it's giving you some trouble. It looks pretty durable to me. High quality stuff.
Well, if they don't come out easy, I consider them cheap. These are probably put in with a air gun. Air gun. Air gun.
I thought if they were easy, they were cheap.
I don't know. I'm confused now. Here we go. I mean, I don't think they're not quality. That's for sure.
That'll be a good one. Staple inspection. Damn, you about done yet?
No.
I feel like you've been pulling these staples out for like 10 minutes.
They want to make sure this cheap stuff that breaks very easily isn't easy to get off.
Oh,
so you just have to go buy a new
So you
stool.
just go buy a new one, yeah. I mean, with the amount of time you spend on it, that's probably an accurate statement.
Right.
So really, we should blame whatever company made this thing.
Yes. Shall we find them?
No, because what if we want them to sponsor a future video?
Oh.
We can show them how well constructed their materials are, how hard it is to take apart.
How well constructed their
Great
materials are.
Look in the camera when you say that. Say
How
it.
well constructed their
Great
materials are.
Hell yeah. Bleep that out. There's a staple right there. You probably want to get him out.
Oof. I didn't do anything to it. What did you do to it? I ain't French.